Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Monday, January 8, 2024 on our channel. The 43rd MCE edition has been vigorously renewed and is full of new formats. Rhoss presented new WINFLOW Eco and EASYFLOW Eco/ECOA1 HT ranges. AHT installed a complete remote CO2 system with heat recovery at NaturaSi. A strong tailwind for Chillventa 2024. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. The 43rd MCE edition has been vigorously renewed and is full of new formats. MCE-Mostra Convegno Expocomfort, the world's leading biennial exhibition in civil and industrial plant engineering, air conditioning and renewable energies, returns to its usual winter schedule from 12 to March 15, 2024 at Fiera Milano. The 43rd edition has been vigorously renewed and is full of new formats, from introducing competitions and prizes to new opportunities for exhibitors, in line with RX Italy's vision, positioning, and direct commitment. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Rhoss presented new WINFLOW Eco and EASYFLOW Eco/ECOA1 HT ranges. Energy efficiency and sustainability. New WINFLOW Eco and EASYFLOW Eco/ECOA1 HT ranges complete the Rhoss offer of water source units, scroll compressors and low GWP refrigerants. WINFLOW Eco. The new ranges, available as chillers and heat pumps, EXP multipurpose units, and condenserless units are available in 7 sizes, for each product type, and cover cooling capacities from approximately. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. AHT installed a complete remote CO2 system with heat recovery at NaturaSi. In Turin, Italy, AHT installed a complete remote CO2 system with heat recovery at NaturaSi. The customer is a leading brand in Italy in the distribution and sale of organic products, with over 300 specialized retailers. In their shops, environmental sustainability and energy efficiency are key aspects. Through careful renovation, NaturaSi has created a building characterized by a strong focus on the environment, equipped with wood fiber thermal insulation, next-generation installations, certified wood and ecological paints. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. A strong tailwind for Chillventa 2024. The international refrigeration, AC, ventilation and heat pump community should be sure not to miss the world's leading fair for refrigeration technology. From 8 to October 10, 2024, Chillventa in Nuremberg will once again showcase the key trends and innovations in refrigeration, AC, ventilation, heat pump and insulation technology and automation. Preparations are in full swing for the exciting and wide-ranging supporting program, including forums, special presentations, and guided tours. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.